Number 1.
1978 Chevrolet C10, price $8,000, with only 10,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and a striking blue exterior that adds to its vintage appeal. The truck has been modified with a 3-inch drop on coilovers, giving it a lower and more aggressive stance. Several new parts have been installed, including a new exhaust system, alternator, radiator, fuel pump, and a rebuilt carburetor, all contributing to improved reliability and performance. Although the truck has been sitting for a while due to a knocking issue, repairs are being made progressively. It remains an exciting project for someone willing to invest time into bringing this classic back to life. With its strong potential and desirable features, this C10 is a fantastic option for anyone passionate about vintage pickups. Number 2. 1979 Chevrolet K10, price $8,700. This truck is in excellent condition with 146,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a blue exterior with a green interior. Powered by a 350 V8 engine with a Holley Sniper EFI, it features numerous upgrades, including a new exhaust system, EFI, gas tank, fuel pump, radiator, alternator, master cylinder, and a 2-inch rough country lift kit. The interior boasts new carpeting, soundproofing, bucket seats, a modern stereo, and new seat belts. Additional improvements include a new battery, oil pump, transmission pan, windshield, rear glass, and a 27-circuit painless wiring harness.
With these upgrades, this K10 blends classic style with modern reliability. Number 3.
1978 Dodge W150, price $9,500. It has 99,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a durable slant 6 engine with a 727 transmission. It features all-time 4-wheel drive with front and rear high/low locking differentials, making it highly capable off-road. Previously a military vehicle, it has been sealed with epoxy primer and finished in fresh white paint, complemented by a blue interior. Running on gasoline, it sits on 35-inch tires and includes a rhino-lined bed liner for added durability. Extensive maintenance has been done, including a new carburetor, fresh tune-up, new fuel tank, sending unit, fuel lines, and all fresh fluids. The braking system has been upgraded with a new master cylinder, new front calipers, and rebuilt rear brakes. A new transmission pan gasket has been installed, and all lights and electrical components function properly. With its solid mechanical condition and rugged design, this W150 runs and drives great, making it a reliable and classic 4x4 truck.
Number 4.
1971 Chevrolet 2500, price $6,800, with 31,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and is powered by a reliable 350 engine paired with a 350 transmission, ensuring smooth performance. The exterior is finished in a classic blue, complemented by a matching blue interior that has been completely redone and is in excellent condition. Running on gasoline, this truck retains its vintage charm while offering modern upgrades for enhanced comfort and functionality. The interior includes an aftermarket radio and speakers, providing an upgraded audio experience. Mechanically, it runs and drives great, making it a solid choice for both collectors and enthusiasts. While it has a salvage title, there is no frame damage, and it comes with a pink slip in hand for a smooth transfer. With its clean interior, strong engine, and classic appeal, this Chevrolet 2500 is a great option for those looking for a dependable vintage truck.
Number 5.
1967 Dodge D150, price $8,000, with 100,000 miles on the odometer, an automatic transmission, and a sturdy 318 engine paired with a 727 transmission. It features a bright yellow exterior and a black interior, creating a bold and timeless look. Running on gasoline, this truck underwent a restoration in the mid-90s and has remained in impressive condition, with almost zero rust, making it a solid choice for collectors and enthusiasts alike. The truck runs and drives well and, with a little TLC, could easily serve as a reliable daily driver. Its classic styling and durable build make it a great candidate for further restoration or customization.
Number 6.
1989 Chevrolet 2500, price $7,500, with 273,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a 350 engine with a TH400 transmission. A long block crate engine was installed at 206,000 miles, leaving only 67,000 miles on the current engine. It features a blue exterior with a matching blue interior, both in great condition, along with power windows, power door locks, cruise control, tilt steering, air conditioning, and 4x4 capability. Upgrades include a freshly rebuilt transmission with 1,000 miles, a heavy tow shift kit, a Protect cab guard, a diamond plate toolbox, and a Line-X bed liner. It also has brand new mud terrain tires for added traction.
Despite minor scratches and dings, this truck remains a reliable and capable choice. Number 7.
1984 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,500, with 75,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a blue exterior with a red interior. It is powered by a rebuilt 305 engine with 12,000 miles, a mild cam, a TH350 3-speed automatic transmission, an Edelbrock 1406 carburetor, long tube headers, and Flowmaster 40 mufflers. Originally a roller from Kansas, it runs strong and drives well. The body is in good shape with no rust or frame rot, and it has a clean title. Recent maintenance includes an oil change, transmission flush, new cooler lines, carburetor tune-up, timing adjustment, and fixes for an engine vacuum leak. Additional repairs include new battery terminal cables, windshield seal replacement, brake flush, a new brake booster supply hose, and a replaced ashtray assembly. It also features aftermarket power windows for added convenience.
Repair receipts are available. Number 8.
1998 Chevrolet 3500, price $7,000, with 176,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a powerful 454 engine. It features a green exterior with a tan interior and runs on gasoline.
The frame is exceptionally clean with almost no rust, and the truck is currently driven almost daily to Hartford and back, proving its reliability. Recent maintenance includes a fully rebuilt rear axle with new bearings, axle shafts, drums, shoes, and hardware, along with a brand new master cylinder and power steering pump. While the interior is in decent shape, it needs some trim pieces, and the dashboard has a crack. Despite minor cosmetic needs, this Chevrolet 3500 has been well cared for and remains a strong, dependable truck. Number 9.
1982 Ford F100, price $10,000, with 79,000 miles, an automatic transmission with floor shift, and a bold black exterior paired with a black interior. It is powered by a strong 302 V8 engine and features a brick nose conversion, giving it a unique and aggressive look. The truck is equipped with power steering, power brakes, a performance carburetor, and a fully updated fuel system. With a rust-free body and custom bodywork, it stands out as a well-maintained and eye-catching classic. The suspension has been lowered for a sleek stance, and the dual exhaust enhances both sound and performance. Everything on the truck works as it should, making it a blast to drive while turning heads wherever it goes. It runs and drives great, offering both reliability and style.
The title is in hand, ready for its next owner. Number 10.
1983 Chevrolet 2500, price $4,000. This is a well-preserved classic truck with just 56,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and is powered by a durable 6.2L V8 diesel engine. The truck stands out with its bright yellow exterior and beige interior, maintaining a clean and classic look. In great condition, this Chevy has recently received a newly rebuilt transmission, ensuring smooth performance and reliability. With its solid build and low mileage, it remains a dependable and stylish choice for collectors or enthusiasts.